Alright people, I have this central pneumatic 2 horsepower 8-gallon 125 maximum PSI air compressor. Last year during the summer it started wanting to start every once in a while. Sometimes it would just struggle to get going, and sometimes it would just start like nothing. This year during the winter it just completely died. It wouldn't even want to start. It would just trip this little protector it has right here. And a friend of mine told me to replace the capacitor, which is this guy right here. Be very careful when you replace these store electricity. So when you're taking it off, make sure you don't touch those wires. To decharge them, you just touch the 2 wires for a few seconds and the energy will be gone, and then you're able to handle it, but be very careful. Anyways, I replaced this with a new one. Make sure you get the same voltage. This one was a 250 100 UF 250 volt capacitor. I got it on eBay for like 10 bucks. So I just thought I'd give it a try before I tossed it out, and I strapped it on already with some zip ties, and let's give it a go, see if that was the problem. Once again, make sure this is not tripped, the protector right here, and here we go. Looks like that was the problem. One more time. Well, looks like I have a working compressor. Remember, before you toss it out, replace the capacitor. Same voltage, same UF. Good luck.